New Zealand has gone into the country's strictest level of lockdown after its first locally transmitted COVID-19 case since February was confirmed. Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern announced a 3-day nationwide lockdown during a press conference on Tuesday, with the lockdown going into effect at 11:59 p.m. at night, according to CNN. The Level 4 lockdown requires everyone to stay home and non-essential businesses to remain closed. Additionally, masks are required at all times when people must leave home. The lockdown comes after an unvaccinated 58-year-old man in Auckland, the country's largest city, tested positive for COVID-19. Director General of Health Ashley Bloomfield noted that the man had recently traveled to other parts of the country, and he was linked to the border. Biden administration expected to recommend COVID-19 booster shots for vaccinated Americans. In addition to the 3-day lockdown, Auckland and Coromandel, a coastal town where the infected spent time, will be locked down for 7 days. Meanwhile, the Auckland Regional Public Health Unit is interviewing the infected to determine others with whom he might have come in contact, according to Reuters. Although testing is still underway, authorities are assuming that he was infected with the Delta variant, Ardern explained. "The best thing we can do to get out of this as quickly as we can is to go hard," she said Tuesday. "We have made the decision on the basis that it is better to start high and go down levels rather than to go low, not contain the virus and see it move quickly," Ardern added. The lockdown comes as part of Ardern's Go Hard, Go Early strategy, which has helped curb COVID cases and deaths in the country. There have been less than 3,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus and 26 related deaths in New Zealand, which has a population of about 5 million, CNN reported. However, the country has been slower than other developed nations to inoculate its population, with 32% of people having gotten at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine and 18% having been fully vaccinated, according to NPR. Although New Zealand's vaccination program has accelerated recently, it's been suspended for 2 days amid the outbreak. "Beating Delta means lifting our game," Ardern said Tuesday. "I ask New Zealanders to please follow the rules to the letter. We know from evidence overseas that the Delta variant can spread just by walking past someone." While international borders have mostly remained closed, New Zealanders have been living without restrictions in recent months. Ardern announced plans earlier this month to reopen the country in early 2022, according to CNN.